today I'm going to be teaching you how to play on the ball machine. Let's get started. Now, if you don't know how to hit a forehand or backhand, you can always look at my other two videos, which are about forehands and backhands. But if you do, I'm going to go show you the controls and how to work the ball machine. When you're using the ball machine, you need to set the height, the speed, the spin, the delay, the directions, the feed rate, player level, and the shots. For me, I am going to be working on my volleyball. Now let's go hit some balls. Now I'm going to do some volleys. I have changed the height and I've changed the speed. Let's see how I do. Using the ball machine is a really good way to work on your tennis. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Bye!